What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Motley View. We up in this thing, you hear me? And we about to take another cruise on the Virgin Voyages. But first, we got to start off by welcoming you all back to our channel and showing you our pre-day before the cruise. So we going, taking us a little trip down the highway to the BNA, which is the Nashville International Airport. I wanted to show you some great scenes about it because it's all good over there. Check it out, the newly remodeled international airport. Y'all got to come down to Nashville and check us out, man, because we got a lot of great stuff going on here. We're headed now to Miami, jumping right on the airplane on Southwest Airlines. My sisters reserved us some spots up in first class on Southwest. Y'all know Southwest got first class. But we up in that thing, man. Southwest ready to go. Owner friendly skies. Beautiful twins right there ready to go. Y'all see we ready to set flight. So we moving right on along from the flight, and we have now landed in beautiful Miami to stay at the EB Hotel. I want to let y'all check this out, man. Y'all got to see this room that we stayed in.
Here we go. Hotel that we'll be staying in. We're going to be in room 321. Here we go. So we enter. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. We got upgraded to the business suite. So everything, as you can see, our luggage is already in here. And it came equipped with a few things to make us feel at home. Waters and coffee and things like that as we walk on through. Got a nice closet space here as we start. You know, definitely a little bit of space there. And then space up top, it looks like as well. Yeah, plenty of nice space there. Come on over, got a mirror. Who you see in that mirror? Oh, it's him. Oh. Come on, turn around to the bathroom. What do we have here? Now, this looks really nice. But look at this. We have got the regular toilet, as you can see. And then it's got a bidet. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy that right there. That's nice. Got a telephone there right here in here if you need to call while you're sitting on the throne. And you got a nice, oh, I see you over there, see-through. We got a very nice walk-in shower. Oh, look at this. Multiple shower heads that's going to come down all over you and spray you from every angle. You see these here as well? It's going to spray you everywhere you want to be sprayed at. This is going to be a very interesting experience here. And then as we come on into the room, we got more closets. Nope, what we got? Okay, drawer space, a safe. A little bit more closets here, as well as up top, just like before. Nice size bed. This that looks directly into the shower. That can be something, you know. And then we have the nice TV here. Very spacious. Very nice, very spacious. And as you can see, it's raining outside in Miami right now, so it's not that great of a view, but very nice look. So this is the EB Hotel business.
It was already there.
Very nice.
We pride ourselves in providing fantastic personalized service and wonderful facilities which we trust.
All right, y'all. So now if we done got checked in and went and checked out our room and everything, it's time for us to go and get something to eat, y'all. We hungry than a mug up in this thing. It's 11 of us on this group cruise because we doing it for the birthdays. So we going and getting on our luxurious VIP treatment over to the House of Mac. Man, I'm telling y'all, if y'all in Miami, you got to get to the House of Mac. They got every kind of mac and cheese you want. We had lobster mac and cheese, jerk chicken mac and cheese. The ambiance was nice, man. They had these biscuits that was bumping, dog. Hey, go and check out the House of Mac. We loved it. After we left the House of Mac, man, because we were so full in our belly, we rolled right on back to the hotel for a good night's rest so we can go the next day and board the Virgin Voyages. So, want to let y'all know, thanks for visiting the Motley View. See y'all.